Hello and welcome to M College of Canada. We would like to welcome you all to our orientation week. We are currently doing orientation sessions for all our January 2021 students. In these sessions, you will learn everything about registration, login IDs and Moodle account management, guidelines for online classes, information on your international student insurance, start dates, cleaning and safety measures for on-campus learning, and you will be able to ask all questions you might have in our Q&A at the end. You should have already received your invitation by email by now. If you haven't, please contact us at admin@collegem.ca so that we can guide you on what to do next. We are very happy to have you with us. See you all this week!